Friends, now in this third session on active voice and passive voice, I will be telling you how to change an active voice sentence into passive voice in different tenses, in different moods, and even how to change other types of sentences into passive voice other than assertive sentence I am telling. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರದ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ an active voice sentence into passive voice in different tenses. Just now I gave you two examples. One is simple present, another is simple past. Jack eats a cake, simple present. Valmiki wrote the Ramayana, that is simple past. There we understood the formula. Supposing the sentence is in the continuous tense, it may be present continuous or past continuous. Future continuous we are not changing into passive voice. ವಾಕ್ಯ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೇರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಶೋನ್ ಒನ್ ರೂಲ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ active voice sentence is in the continuous mood, you have to take being as an additional verb while changing that sentence into passive voice. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದವನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ರೈಟ್? ಅದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು change continuous tense into passive voice. Take one example of present continuous tense. That example I have shown you there. The children are playing cricket. Are playing. This is present continuous. You have to change this sentence into passive voice. I told you, first of all, you have to verify whether the sentence is active voice or passive voice. Secondly, you have to see the tense of the sentence also. If it is continuous tense, then you take being. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಉಳಿದದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್? ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟನ್ನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? ಈಗ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಆಡಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Cricket is being played, past participle, is being played by the children. Cricket is being played by the children. Please note, here we are using being because the sentence is continuous tense. Alright? You can take one more example in the past continuous. You can say, the boy was crossing the road. The boy was crossing the road. Was crossing. Past continuous. Now you can change it into passive voice. No problem, because here also you have to take being. Anyway, you have to take being as an additional verb when you change continuous tense into passive voice. This is one step. In the next step, we have to see how to change perfect tense into passive voice. Perfect tense in the sense, it may be present perfect or past perfect, and future perfect sentences we are not changing into passive voice. We need not bother about that. So here I have shown the rule. What rule? When you change perfect tense into passive voice, you have to take an additional verb called been. Been, B-E-E-N, been, right? That you have to take only in the perfect tense. We shall see that through an example, right? So what is the example? Jack, you can take the same example there. One example is there. Lakshmi has written a letter. See the example? It is coming on the screen. Lakshmi has written a letter. This is present perfect tense. How it is changed into passive voice? A letter has been written by Lakshmi. A letter has been written. ಮೊದಲು ಏನಿದ್ರಿ? Lakshmi has written a letter. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರುತ್ತಾಳೆ. But what you said here? A letter has been written by Lakshmi. ಒಂದು ಪತ್ರವು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯಿಂದ ಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ. So, you are taking been there. Similarly, the same sentence, if it is in past perfect, there also you can change it into passive voice by using been. There it becomes how? Lakshmi had written a letter. Past perfect tense. Lakshmi had written a letter. No problem. That also you can change it to passive voice. How? A letter had been. In past perfect it becomes had been. A letter had been written by Lakshmi. Like this, you have to take been as an additional verb when you change perfect tense sentences into passive voice.